The dictionary is a very important part in Gaia because it is already a feature. You don't need to download anything, you don't need to install a dictionary, it's already there as soon as Gaia is running on your servers. So I'll start by providing an overview of the dictionary, and then I'm going to show some examples. So here you can see the information about the dictionary. It's an open source dictionary. And then you can see all the data here. You can also use the dictionary as a standalone feature. You can just search for terms. So let's say light. And then you can see the results here. You can also search for parts of speech. If it's a noun, a verb, adjective, adverb, etc. And in Gaia, you can also search for synonyms. Click here, and you can see that there are some synonyms you can use. And this is very useful for the feature that I'm going to show as an example. But first, let's see the most important usage of the dictionary is in the translation grid. When you are in the translation grid, when you are translating something, you can just put the mouse cursor over any word in the source, and it's gonna be there. Most of the words, they're gonna have a result. So you can see level, mind, body, and these are very quick. So you don't need to wait too long for the results to load. There you go, you can see how long it takes to load the dictionary. Another example of usage of the dictionary is in the section called Forge. So in Forge, you are creating item names, and you are also translating them in the same interface. So this is good to create multiple item names, especially when you're talking about MMOs and RPGs. There's going to be a separate tutorial for the Forge, but right now what I can show you is that the dictionary, because it's already connected to Gaia, if you click, let's say here, this item is called Epic Sword of Chaos, but you want something different. So if you click on Find Synonyms, it is going to show you synonyms for sword. So you can use these as an inspiration and just start writing your new items. In this case, steel, blade, etc. And then, of course, in Gaia, the most important thing is, even though there are many tools to generate content, like this dictionary that helps with the initial content, you have the power, and you are the one who will and is going to choose what to put as a content. So in this case, the suggestion is blade, but you can use, of course, you can do something different. Thanks for watching. Bye.